Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Windsurf. GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Windsurf are AI-powered development tools that enhance coding productivity. GitHub Copilot functions as an AI peer programmer integrated into editors like VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. It offers code completion, documentation generation, and supports multiple large language models such as OpenAI's GPT-4o, Anthropic's Cloud 3.5, and Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash. Copilot's coding agent mode can autonomously handle tasks like creating pull requests and executing tests, streamlining the development process. Cursor is a dedicated AI code editor built on Visual Studio Code, designed for developers seeking an integrated development environment with advanced AI capabilities. It features an AI mode that can autonomously complete tasks, including writing terminal commands and refactoring code. Cursor's ability to understand and navigate large code bases, making it suitable for complex projects requiring detailed attention. Windsurf focuses on enhancing developer workflow and collaboration. It offers a polished chat interface for interacting with AI, supports multi-file editing, and provides tools for managing code-based changes across multiple files. Windsurf's emphasis on teamwork and project management, making it ideal for collaborative development environment. Overall, GitHub Copilot is best for versatile AI coding across editors, Cursor for deep code-based focused AI assistance, and Windsurf for team collaboration and workflow management. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.